Hey G-Spot, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode of this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a door stopper or door draft. So basically what this product is for is to add that extra like security or protection underneath your door, so that way none of the hot air, cold air, or even like noise can get in, or kind of like lower the noise a lot. So the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and then see they give you guys a fabric on this side, and the other side they do give you guys an instruction manual on how to set it up and all the different foam that's on here. So obviously there's a lot of other ones available out there in the market today, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one is best for you guys, but this is the one that we got right here. So let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside before we actually assemble it. Alright, so when we feel the fabric on here, it definitely feels really nice. It feels really soft, but I'm pretty sure it's not like a silk material. When we fully expand the product, you can see this is how long it is, and this well as on the other side right here. So right here is basically where the Velcro is, so you guys want to stick this on right here. Once you guys stick in the foam onto each side right here, and then right here they provide you guys instruction to teach you guys how to set up and how to maintain it. And right here they provide you guys 6 of these foam. They just want to insert it inside. All of them are basically the same thing, and that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let me show you guys how to install it and how to set it up. So what you guys want to do is just open up the Velcro right here that I showed you guys earlier, and then you guys want to insert the foam inside. So just like this, slide it all the way, and then get a new one, and slide that one in as well. Just push it in all the way until you guys can fit all 3 of them inside. Alright, so once you guys fit in all 3 of them, then you guys want to do the same thing for the other side as well. So once you guys fit in all 3 of them, you guys can either cut this or you guys can leave it as is and use the Velcro to stick it on here. You definitely want to just try this on and stick it onto your door first to see when it actually fits first. If it doesn't fit, then you just want to cut it and adjust it based on your door to see how much you guys need in order for you guys to use it correctly. So let's go do that first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got it settled right here. So what we want to do is cut open this part right here, or cut this part right here out because it's too long. So I'm going to use a razor, but you can use a scissor as well. Alright, so once you guys cut off that part, you guys want to do the same thing for the other one as well. Once you guys finish doing both of them, you guys can push it back in and close this part up right here. And then you just want to slide this into the door. So let me show you guys what I mean. So I have it set right here. So I want to do is just slide it in right here, just like this. Really easily. Slide in all the way. And then what you guys want to do is just close the door. So then see, once we close it, this is what it looks like on this side. If I open it back up, if I close it on the other side, this is what it looks like on this side. And if I can hear all the noise that's going on right now, it's really noisy. But once we close the door, it literally cancels out a lot of the noise, and you guys can't hear it as noticeable, which is pretty awesome. So you can definitely see that product itself, it does work, and it works really well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you saw a quick test of the product, you can definitely see that actually works pretty well. Super easy to install and super easy to use as well. So when you guys actually install, like I mentioned earlier, if it's too long or too short, you guys can definitely use a scissor or razor to cut it. Some people have like bigger doors or longer doors, and some people have shorter ones. So I can't really tell you guys how much you guys need, but you guys can definitely cut it on here and adjust it based on your own needs. But definitely the whole setup process was pretty easy to actually set it up, which is pretty awesome. So that way actually anyone can actually do it. And for this product actually works for almost any kind of flooring, whether it be vinyl, hardwood, carpet, and the list goes on. It all works really well. But that basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to cancel out any noise from like one room to another, or if you guys don't want so much cold air from coming in, then these are super worth it in those scenarios. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.